Hi and welcome to my studio. Recently, several people have written asking me if I would recommend a good sewing machine. What I thought I would do is go over the machines I have, why I like them, and what I look for in a good sewing machine. I have a new machine, and I would love to show you the features on this machine and why I like it. Let's begin. This machine is what I used when I started my business. It's a Pfaff 1222E, made in Germany and all metal parts. It has a walking foot, a free arm, which I just love. It's a small free arm. And it is electronic, so it does many stitches. It does a beautiful straight stitch. And a beautiful zigzag. All I really need is a straight stitch, a zigzag, and a buttonhole. I do have a serger. I don't use it very often, but as a dressmaker, I don't need many stitches. Most of my machines were made before 1985, and they're very good machines. Very heavy duty, will work on heavy fabrics as well as shears. Machines manufactured before around 1985 will be metal parts. Now let's look at my Rolls Royce of a machine. This is the machine I use the most. It is a Singer 9610. It was made around 1918. It does a straight stitch only. It doesn't even go backward, but it's worth its weight in gold. It will do very sheer fabrics. It will also work on very heavy fabrics. It has a very quiet motor. I recently had a new modern motor put on it, so it's totally silent until I sew. And it's very, very quiet, so I can use it for filming. These are probably not too difficult to find because factories around the country have closed in the past 30 years. I didn't pay much for this machine. It came with the table. I absolutely love it. This is also a Pfaff. It's a Creative 7570. I believe it was manufactured around 1985. It is all metal parts. It has this that opens, so it's got a nice free arm and storage. It does many, many stitches, including a good buttonhole. Made in Germany. Again, if you want to get a used machine, they're very reliable. This is my latest acquisition. I had admired it in a store, and my husband bought it for me without me knowing. It does 99 stitches and monogramming. It's very affordable. It has this wonderful table, which allows you to keep your work nice and flat. It does a beautiful stitch. It does work on lightweight as well as heavyweight fabrics. And it does have a foot pedal. However, you don't have to use the pedal. Backwards. What I like most about this machine, it weighs 10.5 pounds. It's really good for children as well as adults. It's extremely lightweight. If you live near a dealer who sells machines, they should teach you how to use the machine. Try the machine and see what you like. Used machines or vintage machines are wonderful. I hope this has been helpful to you. Feel free to leave a comment and let me know what machine you end up buying, whether it's a vintage machine or a modern machine. I wish you happy sewing. See you next time.